Hi everyone, and welcome to our newest project that we're working on right now at the moment. This project is in Minneapolis, Minnesota, actually in a suburb of Minneapolis in Victoria, Minnesota, which is a really nice place. And this will be a good study to show you how you can add value to the house and in order to increase the sellability of this project. So let me walk you through the project. We purchased this home. It was outdated and the colors were really ugly. The colors were dark. And what we've done, we repainted this house. We put new facial, new soffit. We put new aluminum here. And also we added a little element of here and on the front, stone. This cost us about $4,500. But look at this house. Now it looks completely different because all those homes and neighborhoods, they're really nice, well maintained, and we at Homestead Road want to be a good neighbor and deliver a high quality product for the family that will move in. So we need to do the right thing and make it very appealing to the customer. So I want to show you, as an investor, what you need to do when you buy this property, step-by-step process. First, I walk around and see the neighborhood. What kind of neighbors are there? What kind of quality of construction? And our goal is to make this project just a little bit better, to make sure that this project stands out. And so what we did, we completely repainted this house, and we really wanted to have neutral colors, and that's why we painted this deck into this color to make sure that it coordinates. I pay attention to the backyard, and I imagine that this backyard will be a really nice place for a family with probably 2 to 3 kids, because right now this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and before this house was only 3-bedroom. So as an investor, you always need to see how you can add value to your investment project. So pay attention to this backyard. It will be nice. I can imagine like kids playing around. We repainted the house, we updated soffit facial, and we also needed to work in a tight budget because we don't want to over-improve the project, but at the same time, we want to have our project just a little bit nicer comparing to other homes available for sale. Now let's go inside and I'll show you, as an investor, what you really need to pay attention and what you can spend your attention in order to maximize the value of the house. Let's walk in. All right, well, welcome to this beautiful home. And here's what we've done here. We had the wall here and it felt really awkward. The air didn't really flow. So what we did, we actually put this wall down and create an open concept. We're going to record a video with the finished product. This project is about 75% completed. We put a new kitchen in. Now it's an open space. We also did a new flooring. We're going to repaint this house, update light fixtures everywhere. There are 2 bedrooms here. It's a split level. We updated lights in here, a new flooring. There is a bathroom on the main floor, so everything will be new. This is the vanity that we're going to put here, and it will be really warm and nicely updated house. But one thing that we really pay attention to this house, before this house was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. As an investor, you have to find the value, how you can market your house better and how you can unlock the value. And now this house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom that is way more appealing and way more marketable when you're going to put this house on the market. And you can do it when you walk in the house. You need to start paying attention to these kind of elements, like what you can add additional value. So let's walk down the stairs. Okay, this is the first, lower level. In the lower level, we had before 1-bedroom, storage, and a bathroom with a shower. So we're going to keep this bedroom. Very nice fireplace, We put new flooring in, and we had this space that was open before. And what we did, now we made it an legal bedroom. I think that's very, very important, because now before we had the 3-bedroom house, and now look, we have a 4-bedroom home. So what's important to pay attention? In order for the bedroom to be considered a legal bedroom, couple of things. It should be ceiling. Every city is different, but it should be, I think, 8 feet high. But if you put your arm here and you cannot reach, I'm 5'8", and it will be a legal bedroom. First, the height. Second, you have to have egress window. In case there is a fire, you can escape. You also have to have a heat source, so you can see that we have air comes from here, and the closet. That's it. So now we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. We still need to decide how much we're going to list this house for, because I love this house. I have a really nice feeling, and we're going to put just a little bit more to have this house stand out. And we're going to, because it's a nice property, we're going to pre-list this house coming soon. I believe we can do it 10 days before it's going to market, and we want to do an open house and see if we can buy another project in this neighborhood. And if we can have another project here, that will be fantastic. But I think this project is going to be sold really quickly. So stay tuned, put the comments down below, and we're going to record another video with the final numbers, and we will reveal how much we paid it for, how much we spent for repairs, and if we made any profit. I suspect we're going to have a good margin, but who knows? And stay tuned to know and to see the final numbers on this beautiful project in Victoria. All right, so the main question, how much are we going to sell this house for? And honestly, I don't know. I have a price range. I have a feeling that it's somewhere between $500,000 to $550,000. We're going to know when this project is going to be finished. It will probably 1 week before the completion, maybe 10 days. We want to act really, really quickly, because holding cost, it's your profit and our profit. And I'm looking at Zillow right now. So there are no active homes available. And next video, I'm going to share with you our final numbers, our final repairs. I believe all of those updates, our standard package, we spend about $45,000 to $50,000. And when we collect all the invoices, we'll know the final number. So stay tuned, and put the comments down below. How much, by the way, you think we spent, or what will be the final spend on this budget?